In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to appear offline on Instagram. Sometimes you might want to use the app without letting others know that you're active. It's really easy to do and can give you some privacy. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down, and you'll see a section called How Others Can Interact with You, and in that section, you'll see an option called Messages and Story Replies. Just tap on it. And then tap where it says Show Activity Status. To appear offline on Instagram, simply toggle off this switch over here. Now you can use the app without anyone knowing when you're active. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.